In this video, I will show you how I use ChatGPT to design a professional gaming logo for an esports team, moving from a basic idea to a complete branding kit in just a few minutes. I'm starting right here on the home page, and to begin, I'll navigate to my notes and copy a highly detailed design brief I've prepared for an esports team called Phantom Squad PH. This prompt specifies a classic shield-shaped logo featuring a phantom silhouette and a sophisticated purple and black color scheme. I'll paste this into the chat bar and hit send to kick off the generation process. Now, I'll wait just a few moments while the AI interprets the description and creates the logo. Here is the first result that ChatGPT generated. I'll click on it to get a closer look at the phantom silhouette and the overall execution. It looks great and hits all the initial requirements, but I want to explore a different mascot option to make the brand even more unique and aggressive. I'll head back to my notes and copy a new refinement prompt that replaces the phantom with a fierce dragon mascot, while keeping the exact same color palette and team name. I'll paste that in and send it off. ChatGPT is working on the new design now, focusing on a more dynamic, forward-facing pose with glowing eyes as requested. The result looks much more aggressive and professional. Let's open it to check the fine details and the overall balance of the composition. Finally, I need to ensure this logo performs across different branding applications. I want to generate one version on a dark background for my stream overlays and another on a pure white background for light-colored merchandise. I'll grab my last prompt, which asks the AI specifically for these two variations, paste this final request, and wait for the AI to provide the results. The AI has successfully provided both versions as requested. I'll click on the dark background version to see the final, polished, production-ready result. It looks incredibly sharp, cohesive, and ready to lead an esports team to victory. If you found this walkthrough helpful for upgrading your own branding with AI, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.